Hi friends. In previous video, we learned the primary key and unique constraint. In this video, we learn the foreign key and index constraint. So, what is the use of this foreign key? Foreign key is used to map the to give relation to the two tables. Okay, foreign key is mainly used to two tables relation to map two tables two tables we require a foreign key relation. Okay, and we have a one more index constraint. So index constraint is used to retrieve data. Index constraint is used to retrieve data from table table quickly. So whenever you want to get data from a table, in our real world, we have a lakhs of records in our table. So to get a specific records in that time, it will take a lot of time. So to improve the performance of the application, we have to use the index constraint. Now I told you to use foreign key. Okay, we required a primary and a foreign key relation. So I want to create two tables now. So I want to give map. So I'm going to creating a table, create table tbl tbl country is my table name. In this table, I have two columns. One is a ID. I'm giving the primary key. Okay. Second one is a country name. Okay. Country name. So we cannot give space to the column. Okay. Country name. And this one is a varchar of 30. So we can give length whatever you want. And I'm going to create a one more table tbl state. Okay, I'm going to create a one more table tbl state. In this table I have a state id, so give the some meaningful name. It is a state id, and this one is a country id, and this is a state name. Okay, state name. And I have one more column in this table that is called a country ID. So this is a type of integer. Now I want to map these two tables using primary and a foreign key relation. So to add primary key and a foreign key, so we have to use the foreign key relation to this country and state table. We have to use the foreign 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 key. Okay, and table name. This is a table name tbl country. In this tbl country, we have to map the country ID because it is the primary key in a tbl country table. Okay, foreign key references. References. So we have to use the syntax like this. Now I'm going to executing these two tables. Click on execute. Two tables are created successfully. Now I want to insert some data in these tables. Insert into tbl country. So tbl country. So we have a ID column. Okay, country ID and country name and values. I'm going to give values country one. Country is India, and second one I'm going to give country 2. Okay. And this one is America. America. And country 3. This one is Japan. Now I'm going to executing a country table script. Execute. Okay, 3 rows inserted successfully. Now what I want? I want to insert data into state table. So copy this script and paste below. Instead of a TBL country, I want to use a TBL state. Okay, we have a country ID. So instead of a country ID, first we have to use the state ID. State ID and then a state name and country ID. So state ID I given a one, state name I am giving the AP, okay, and this state belongs to India. So India ID in a country table 1. So we have to give 1 and same copy this script, okay, copy this one, paste. So state ID 2 and the state name is UP. State ID 3 and state name TS. So country, these 3 states belongs to India. So that is why I given a country ID 1. Okay. And I want to create a one more record. I'm creating one more records. So state ID I'm giving the 4 and state ID I'm giving a 5. State name I'm giving the Texas. Okay, Texas. This is Texas state belongs to America. The country ID is 2. This is 2. And here I'm using Texas 1. I don't know state names in America. Okay, I'm giving the country 2. So I'm executing these scripts. Click on execute. Now 5 rows inserted successfully. Now what I want to delete country India in a country table. So I'm writing the delete statement, delete from TBL country where ID, country ID, right? Where country ID equal to 1. Now if I execute this query, I will get immediately one issue because I given a relation in a child table. Now see the delete statement conflicted with the reference constraint foreign key. FK means a foreign key. Okay, TBL state. This is the issue I am getting because I given a relation to TBL country and this country ID stored in a TBL state. Okay, now I'm going to deleting the record 2. Okay, this belongs to the America. Now this second country ID 2 also present in a table state. That is why I'm getting the issue. Now I'm going to create a 3 that means Japan. In this scenario, I can delete because this is 3 Japan country ID not presented in a TBL state table. Now this is a real usage in a SQL server primary and foreign key relation. So in coming session, we'll learn the index constraint in a SQL server. How to create index, okay, on table. We'll discuss in a coming session. Okay, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.